Do you know what is compounding? Compounding is earning interest on interest. It is not simple interest. It is compound interest. बचपन में आपने ज़रूर पढ़ा होगा. What is compound interest? You all know. It is not just by multiplying. It is to the power of. जहाँ भी to the power of आता है, that is going to give you enormous returns, wealth, whatever. So, my name is Khushbu Sinha. I am a stock market analyst and I am on a mission to educate 1 lakh students to attain financial freedom. So, if you know a stock, if you come to know a stock, जो आपको अच्छा लग रहा है, common sense again. Remember, common sense. If you think that this is going to perform, apply common sense, hold it, have patience. Every big investor has this feature in common. Either you talk of Mr. Jhunjhunwala, you talk of Mr. Warren Buffett, you talk of Mr. Peter Lynch. Everyone had patience as a common trait. So just hold that stock and have patience if it is performing good. I'll give you an example for this. If you invest 1,000 rupees today and you are getting 5% annually with simple interest, it will convert 2,500 in 30 years. But if it is compounded, it will convert 4,300 in 30 years. This is the story if you invested once. But if you kept on investing 1,000 month on month for 30 years, this will become 2.4 crores. So isn't it a wealth creator? Isn't it a magical thing that's happening? This is a lifestyle changing hack. Just learn it, how to do this. And this is the only place, equities. You can earn wealth like this only in equities, neither in FD nor in all other instruments. So, my dear friend, you should definitely come and learn. And believe me, not me, but believe what India's growth story is saying right now. India currently is 5th economy and it is going to attain 5 ट्रिलियन इकोनॉमी. ये इकोनॉमी कहाँ से आएगी? इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ग्रोथ से आएगी, हेल्थ केयर ग्रोथ से आएगी, होटल सेक्टर से आएगी, ईवी से आएगी, सेमीकंडक्टर से आएगी. तो why not to invest directly in stocks? If you know a good stocks from semiconductor, if you know a good stock in EV, just buy and hold it. Hold till there is any corporate governance issue in that company. This is the only era which can be called as golden era for India. And आज पैसा नहीं कमाया तो कभी नहीं कमा सकते. Believe in this and turn your future into fortune. I would like to share one example which happened long back in one company that's called Wipro. Only a person who bought 100 shares in 1980. Do you know what's the value is? I won't say the value. I'll tell you the number of stocks the person is holding right now and you calculate the value. When it was bought in 1980, 100 shares, initial investment of 10,000. It grew in 1981, it gave a bonus of 1:1. It became 200 shares. Again in 1985, it grew, it gave a bonus. And it was again multiplied into 1:1. That was 400 shares. It kept on multiplying. There were bonuses, there were splits in this company. And do you know, in 2019, a person who bought 100 shares in Wipro, he had 2 crores 56 lakh shares with him. Now, you tell me what's the value of Wipro and how much money he was having. Not only that, Wipro is giving good dividend also. I'm not saying you to go and buy Wipro. I'm giving you an example because every stock has its own life cycle and it's different. But I am giving you an example कि ऐसा Wipro ने किया है तो बाकी companies भी ऐसा कर सकती हैं. You just need to focus on one company and that will change your life. 2 crore 56 lakh shares. That means 2 crore 56 lakhs dividend a year. And that's fair enough. So this is how compounding happens. It takes its own time, but it will give you rewarding rewards. So, when you understand these stories, are you ready to invest? Are you ready to taste the waters of compounding? And believe me, it's never too late to begin. For more such videos on finance, do like, subscribe and share my channel.